Hi, my name's Dr Marcus Spry. I'm a dentist in the United Kingdom. Welcome to my channel. I've just stolen this from my hygienist. I'm going to show you all about pixters today. Shh, don't tell her that I've stolen it, will you? Now, I stole this away from my hygienist today to show you pixters. And pixters are a way of cleaning between the teeth, and it's a great idea to see the hygienist to have these sized for you. So she has this kit here, and she can choose one and then try that for you particularly, because you might have different sizes of gaps. So for instance, on this little model here, does that one fit? Yeah, that one definitely does fit. Okay, so that one would be a possibility. And then if we go up to a slightly bigger one, does that fit? Yeah, just about. Oh, it's a bit tight. And then I'm presuming that the next one along, or if we go up to a really super big one, look at the size of that one there, that's just not going to fit in. So you need to some extent to be able to have some confidence that this is all going to work and which gaps to fit which thing in. So a visit to the hygienist, the sizing of these according to the gaps between your teeth would be a really good idea, because what my hygienists do is they write this down, the prescription, on this little form here, because there's a little map of your mouth. There's all the different pixters that are made, and then these can be slotted in. Now obviously you can trial and error this yourself. I mean, you can buy the smallest one, which in this case I think is the red. So you could use that and just poke it round and see where it fits. If it won't go, don't force it, all right, because you don't want you to hurt yourself or for it to get stuck. But if it's going in and not causing a problem, then you see there, that one doesn't want to go there, so we have to leave that one alone. Whoop, just about on that one. And what on earth is the point of this? Well, the problem is that we need to remove plaque biofilm. We need to remove plaque germs from every single aspect of the tooth. So it's fairly easy to clean here and here and here, but it isn't so easy to clean where they touch together, and that's exactly what that little fella does there. So pixters are the go-to piece of kit to clean, but you need to have them sized a little bit so that you can fit the appropriate gap. And nowadays as well, I like this, that pixters are made in a biodegradable, as we're all going to stop trying to use as much plastic. And this is, I think it says here that it's 97.6% recyclable. So when you throw that away, we're not adding to the plastic burden of the environment. So consider having some pixters if you've got some gaps and nooks and crannies that need to be cleaned, and you'll have a happy, healthy smile for life. Please like, share and subscribe to keep your smile for life.